Fergie's Kitchen. If it's your first time just browsing and you see this beautiful, gorgeous face of mine, welcome. Please remember to like and subscribe. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Come on in. Today, I'm going to be making something vegan. You know, I like to touch the vegan. So it's more vegan, plant-based. This is my ingredients I'm working with today. I'm gonna be making stuffed portobello mushroom. There you go. With some cheese and nut sauce. So I'm going to use my nuts to make a cheese sauce, all right? So here are my ingredients that I'm working with. Some coconut milk powder, some pumpkin seed, some sunflower seed. I'm gonna be using hemp heart seed. And these are my Brazilian nut seed. This is my nutritional yeast, some oregano. And I'll be using my vegan mayo. This is avocado based vegan mayo, onions, and I have these zucchinis and they're getting expired, so I'm just gonna use them up with my Himalayan salt, pepper, and some parsley. So here you have it. These are my ingredients for today. And let's get the ball rolling. So guys, you're gonna want to take all the middle of the mushroom out, including the stem, and get it clean like that. And you're gonna save the middle of the mushroom to add to your stuffing. Okay guys, here's our first step. I already chopped up my onions. You need like a quarter of a medium onion. This is a large onion. So now I'm gonna add, and you need like a bundle, a good bundle of parsley. You need a small zucchini, and these are the middle of my mushroom. So now I'm gonna use like a half a cup of pumpkin seed and a half a cup of sunflower seed. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of oregano. You can use fresh or dry oregano. You can use a half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt. Use according to your taste. And 1 black pepper. And I'm going to chop these. Guys, please don't let it smooth. Just chop it roughly. And I'll show you guys when I get back. So guys, you don't want to chop it for too long because you don't want it to be mush, all right? You just want it to be roughly chopped. And this is my stuffing for my mushrooms. Okay guys, with my oven set at 400, I'll be putting in my stuffed mushroom for 25 minutes. Here we go. All stuffed and all ready to bake, and I'll see you guys. Okay my gang, so now I'm just going to make a nut cheese, some form of a natural nut cheese to pour on my portobello mushroom when I'm having it. So here I'm gonna have half a cup of my Brazilian nuts. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of hemp seed, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast, teaspoon of coconut powder, half a cup of water. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of my vegan mayo. So my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment. I am here to present Fergie's Portobello stuffed mushroom with some nut cheese. So that's my nut cheese sauce. And I hope you see my cilantro that I picked and used to garnish my mushroom and my sauce. Thank you guys for tuning in. As you know, I feed the mind, the heart, the body, and the soul. So today's scripture will be coming from Psalms 138, verse 3. The moment I called out, you stepped in. You made my life large with strength. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, when you think this is no. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, when you think there is no hope, God say, take my hand and let me lead the way. We can do this together. What did God say? Take my hand and let me lead the way. We can do this together. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you to the moon and back. Bye-bye.